Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and my name is Pam, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So in today's video I wanted to share some of my favorite blushes which I used almost every day whenever I have to go out or for shopping. These are my go-to blushes, and some are drugstore, some are affordable, and some are available on Nykaa as well, and some are not. So they are available on Sephora, and they are international brands as well. So this is the mixed products. So whatever products I will get on Amazon or Nykaa or Sephora, I'm going to link down below in the description box. So I hope you guys like it too, and let me know in the comment section which is your favorite blush out of these, or if you have anything else to recommend, please let me know in the comment section. I will be really happy to read it. Maybe I will also try them out. So before I ramble more, let's get started with my blushes. Okay, the first one I wanted to start with everyone's favorite. I am sure it's Maybelline's Fit Me blush, and I have in the shade Wine 50 Wine. This is such a beautiful shade. Can you see? It's kind of mauvey pink, and this is definitely goes so well on Indian skin tone, and like in brown whitish skin tone, this is so perfect. I really love how finely milled. Can you see? It looks so nice. It looks very natural on skin. It blends very well and gives that natural blush kind of look. I like using it on my cheeks here. Gives such a nice. You need to apply blush here so that your face looks lifted. So can you see? Today my face is going to turn pink because I'm going to swatch a lot of blushes. So it looks very natural, and it's blendable as well. So it's very nice and smooth finish, very affordable as well. So this is available on any drugstore, and this is also available in Nykaa. I will definitely recommend if you get this shade. Wine is a beautiful shade. This is definitely available on Amazon. I got it from Amazon. So yes to this, best buy. Okay, so the next I have is from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is a mini blush. I have in the shade 04 Salmon Superstar. There is no mirror in this, and I'm sure there was no mirror on Maybelline as well. But these are the mini blushes, are such a pocket friendly, easily you can put it in your sling bag or even your clutch. And these blushes, even you can use it as a just single color eyeshadow, perfect for eyeshadow as well as blush. I really like this. Very smooth, very finely milled, and can you see? It gives a natural blush, and I like to apply on my nose as well to give that perfect winter kind of look. And this is a shade, can you see? Gives a pop of color on your skin as well. So this is in the shade Salmon Superstar. Definitely buy this, very nice. I really love the packaging. Paper packaging, looks like a cardboard one. And yeah, buy this. This is also available on Nykaa, and I don't know it's available on Amazon, so check this out. The next one I have is from Flower Beauty. I have in the shade Sweet Pea. This might look little powdery, but it on fingers as well, but when you blend it on face, it really blends very well, and it just gives just like a powder. You apply a compact all across your face. If you use this on your cheeks and your nose, it will give that natural blush. All these are almost natural, but I would suggest these powder blushes. I like to use this only during summer. During winter I don't use these kind of brushes. I like which is creamy finish, which I will show at the end of this later video. So this is a powder finish which really goes well during the summer. So there is no mirror to this as well, and really like the transparent packaging. And this is in the shade Sweet Pea. This also blends very well, but good for summer. The next I have from Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, and I have in the shade Peaches and Cream, and they have total 5 shade here. This is kind of compared to other shades, this is a very light shade, but this definitely goes there is no sheen or anything, but this also looks like a powder. But this is also good during summer. I will not recommend to try this during winter. This and the Flower Beauty, it's similar kind of texture, powdery, so this really goes well during summers, and this also blends very well, gives that smooth finish, gives that blushy cheeks, winter cheeks you get. Very nice on skin and blends really well. I have in the shade, as I mention the shade, that is Peaches and Cream, and these are very pigmented and also long lasting. The Makeup Revolution ones are long lasting. I mean, if you apply it it can stay around 5 to 6 hours on your cheeks. So yeah, go to this during summer. The next one I have is L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Blush Neutral, and I think I have the shade Apricot Kiss. This is not available on Nykaa, but this definitely will be available on Amazon. I got this from Amazon, and this is one time, at the time when this was new, it's like this was one of my favorite. I used to use so much every time before I get other products, creamy products, but I still use it when I travel or something. This gives that luxurious blush finish you get when you use any high-end product. Very natural on skin. This you can use it during winter and summer as well. This is also long lasting, blendable, gives that silky smooth kind of finish. Definitely recommend in the shade Apricot, and very nice packaging as well. And I think there was a brush once, let me check. Yeah, there comes a mirror below, and you also get a brush, so when you travel you can use this brush. So it comes below down and the mirror, and there is this blush on top and mirror down. It's like this, travel friendly as well. The next is also this is from Nykaa, their duo blush duo, Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo, and I have the shade Brazilian Bombshell Rose Plus Raisin. Such a pretty shade. There is no mirror as well, but if you mix these two shades, it gives that perfect shade to use it during summer as well as in winter. But this I like to use during the winter and this during summer. This definitely looks pink, but when you use on your face, it glides in your skin so perfectly. It matches to your skin tone. I really like this to use it during summer, and this is a perfect shade. So if you have this palette as well, you can use it as your eyeshadow as well. And if you want to turn your lipstick into matte, you can even use this shade. It's a very pretty shade, so I use this when I want to travel. I also carry this very nice shades. Definitely recommend. These are also blendable and perfectly glides into your skin tone, so definitely recommend. The next two shades I have, next four remaining, which are not available on Nykaa, but these are available on Sephora, and these are my favorite creamy products which I want to recommend. Perfect for this kind of climate, which is in US. Is fall, winter, very cold. You don't like to use a powdery finish, but this is everyone's favorite Rare Beauty. This is a beautiful shade and I have used so much. If you can see, I've been using this every day, and that comes a beautiful mirror as well. I really like this pebble packaging, beautiful luxurious finish, and I have in the shade Nearly Mauve. It's a beautiful shade. It looks like a cream, but when you apply, it turns into powder. It's a complete different texture. It turns into powder when you apply it. I use it sometimes as a blush. You can even contour. So it's a beautiful shade, such a pretty shade. And I have the same Nearly Mauve lip gloss as well. So I'm so excited. I would love to try the eyeshadow palettes as well. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to review the eyeshadow palette. So this is a beautiful shade. Really love the packaging. Looks so pretty if you keep it on your vanity as well. Definitely recommend, give this a try. If you get a chance to buy Rare Beauty cream blush, go this. This is perfect, even perfect for your eyeshadow, as your lip balm, as your lipstick or something for everyday use. Such a pretty shade, so very nice. See if it is available on Amazon, but this is definitely available on Sephora, so check this out. The next is also one of my favorite. This is from Jouer Cosmetics.
Okay, the audio to this slide was corrupted, so I had to do a voice over. So I was saying this was in the shade Celebrate, cheek and lip duo. On one side the shade was Celebrate Me and the other side was Promise Me. It is a beautiful blush shades. You get two options and very nicely packaging, so this is travel friendly as well, so I would definitely recommend. It gives very nice beautiful flush of blush shade on cheeks, and this will go on any skin tone. They have more options, you can check on their website as well. So I used on one side. You can use it as a lip tint as well. So Celebrate Me and Promise Me both are beautiful mauvey pink tone shades.
It does not look patchy at all, it just glides into your skin. Perfect for winter. It does not look powdery or patchy on skin. This, I have also a coupon code. If you shop from their website, if you use my code PAMSTATION, all in capitals, you can get 15% off. So don't forget to use my code, and when you shop some more items, you can save some money as well. So this is from Jouer Cosmetics, and similar to that, I have this Tower 28. I have in the shade this is Beach Please Powerhouse. I think that's the shade, and really like the packaging. Everything transparent and only the product is in between. Can you see this shade? Is such a pretty shade. I felt that this is quite similar to the US sticks as well, right? And perfect. I really like this. Is complete a cream. It does not turn into powder like Rare Beauty, but this is perfect for winter, perfect for winter, and it glides in so smoothly. It ends up looking like similar, something close to coral. But yeah, if in case you get this on Sephora, this time Sephora sale, don't forget to buy this. This is perfect for everyone's skin tone and even any season. Very nice, very nice, travel friendly as well. Perfect. Love the packaging, everything is good. And I think this is cruelty free as well, and this is vegan, it's mentioned. And I have in the shade Powerhouse Beach Please. Check. Last but not the least, I have, this is from Elf. This is an affordable drugstore product, and I have, this is similar packaging, everything transparent just like Tower 28. This is in the shade Bright Pink. This definitely looks bright pink, but on skin it does not look that like that. This is a powdery like compact, but this also looks very nice. I would also recommend this to use it during winter. It does not look patchy or cakey on skin. This is very finely milled, and I know many love this. Is everyone's favorite here. It's very famous, very hit product, drugstore product, Elf Cosmetic blushes. So that's why I read so many reviews and I wanted to buy this, and finally I got this from Rite Aid. So if in case I get it on Nykaa or Amazon, I'll share the link below. Very cute packaging. This also very blendable, and the shade is bright pink. These are some of my favorite blushes. I hope you like them. I will share all the coupon codes and link in my description box below. If you want to buy any of this, you can check down below, and let me know other than these if any other blushes it's your favorite. I would love to try them out. Let me know in the comment section, guys. And if in case you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. It will really motivate me to make more such videos. Don't forget to hit like and share my videos to all your friends and family. And you can also follow me on Instagram. It's Just Chill with Pam, where I create some different content there. I'm sure you're gonna love them out. I will share all the links in my description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye-bye.